Okay, today I ordered this Philister plane. Is that what it's a Rabbit plane. Rebate plane, depending on the continent you're in. Well, this is the Faithfull 778 plane. Is designed to cut rabbits up to 38 millimeters, which is 1.5 inches, and it's guided by an adjustable fence. I did not see any YouTube videos on this when I was preparing to buy it, and that is why I'm doing this video. So this is the unboxing. Okay. Comes in a nice wooden box. Faithfull quality tools. I have a Faithfull number 4. It took forever to prepare it to work, and it does work. And I'm going to turn it into a scrub plane. So, okay, these are rods that were in this little box, and this must be the fence. This is the box, little spot for the rods. This is where the fence goes, and then of course the plane fits here. Alright, let's take a look at this. Okay, we're going to have to get the oil off. They pack this in Chinese oil. So here's a depth gauge. So this is put together pretty well. Hopefully this blade will work. Like I've said, I am new to hand tools. I've been working with power tools forever. Boy, this is just filthy. I don't know what it is they put on here. Let's get some acetone. Acetone. Couldn't find it because I didn't put it back where it belonged. So again, this is a cheap tool. It cost, I believe, $80, $79.99, something like that. Here's a pretty reliable straight edge. That seems flat as hell. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff on this. By stuff I mean oil and packing something or other. It's really sticky. So here I'm just removing the packing oil and a sticky grease or gum that was on the plane. Okay, so I have played around with this. By the way, I had a lunch date And that was about noon the last time I was here, and it's about 7 o'clock. It is right at 7 tonight. So, but I came in here, fiddled around with the depth stop, and just set this up a little better. And surprisingly, it's actually working. Alright guys, I really wanted to like this plane. I have fooled with it. It has some inherently bad design features. It clogs, the chips clog between the cap and the body of the plane. The iron is really thin, which all these cheap planes, that's inherent. They just have thin, crappy blades. So anyway, I'm giving this a no-go. So I could not keep this from clogging with wood chips, which rendered it useless. And I want to enjoy woodworking. I don't want to have a pain in the ass. So, like I said before, I am not going to recommend this product. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. I certainly did. We'll see you further on down the trail.